Hey guys, and welcome to Mauritius. So I haven't done a vlog in a long time, and I thought it would be really cool to just grab a GoPro, the new one. I've heard it's a lot better than previous, and just do like a kind of behind the scenes vlog of my shoots. It's just been so hectic trying to document something like that. But this week, so I'm shooting for the Shangri-la hotels. This is my 4th hotel I've shot from this year, which has been super fun. I mean, like, they're pretty hard shoots. We shoot a lot of stuff. We shoot a lot of different setups, but we get to stay in rad places like this. Woo. Oh god. It's like a torrential thunderstorm. This room is just so nice. Bathtub, sink, bed of course, an espresso machine with capsule. And let's see the gear I brought. 14 to 24, 58 mil, 24 to 70. 1635, D8 10, D8 50, and this is my Aquatech. It's super good. Actually, the rest of it is in there because I hate carrying around the airport. Just gonna swing by Davis's room as he lost my book. Shit, I can't remember which room he... Davis? I brought you a book.
Oh, no.
Are you on it?
Dude, I'm so excited for this. Dude, how sick is that?
So today we're just making the most of the sunset. We both kind of landed this afternoon, and yeah, it's pretty epic. Perfect low tide for us to take photos because it just flattens the pools out. The sunset direction is over there. We've got a couple with us. What's Miguel and Raquel.
Alright, we are now live on Alex's GoPro. We're here in Mauritius. Alex is getting the groove again, and we've got these reflections popping right now. Let me show you the angle we're gonna go for. Yep. That's what we're going for.
Let's get you walking first of all, from like there, together.
It's actually kind of sick to see the behind the scenes.
Good morning, so it's our first full day today, and it should be a okay schedule. So it's currently 5 AM, got a few hours sleep last night. I was working till like 12, which I probably shouldn't have been doing after a 18-hour leg on planes. Anyhow, time to get outside and shoot. Davis is saying hey to all the neighbors.
It's so much louder than I always think. Like, oh my god, I'll be quiet.
So since this morning we've just been chilling out, and now we're doing a shot of the drone. It's gonna backflip over there, gonna walk out to the sea, and then I'm just spectating. We've just been chilling out all morning and pretty much just waiting for someone to turn up. And they direct in terms of content. They make sure everything is on brand and stuff. So I mean, we're shooting a little, but we just don't want to shoot a lot of stuff and then it not actually be relevant. Like this. I mean, I'm sure backflipping into the ocean as well as walking out is relevant. It's currently afternoon and cloudy as heck. So they have like a private island which is just off the main hotel, which is over there, and we're pretty much shooting this afternoon cloudy stuff.
We have to have an empty glass, so we keep drinking between sets.
Oh, okay, I can help.